Hello everybody, my name is John. Today I want to talk about sweets versus candy. Now what exactly the difference between them? First of all, in sweet ways, yay, a little sweet. While candy is something like gummy worms, giant ones, popsicles, gummy bears, free sugary stuff. Now there's a bit of differences between them. Little thingy, sweets and versus candy, I'm gonna call this video, or sweets and candy. I'm not quite sure. I think sweets versus candy would be actually to do, or other ways. I don't even know. I can write and with that little 8 thinking. Just imagine that little logo with red on top of the little 8. That'd be funny actually. So here we go. This is tip 1. Draw around here, and it's like a little yellow banana. So that's what we call little sweet. Really fun actually. Second of all is sweets candy such as that a giant sweetable banana and with all sugars and all other stuff on it. So it's a little difference between a little banana and a few over here you can actually draw. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Now we can see the difference between sweets and candy. And because it got more sugar, the sweets, see that if I wrap this out, but you see it got a little bit of sugar. Well, candy has a lot more sugar. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.